are specialized in 3D monitors, in VR screens, in workstations, in 3D measurement devices. Our focus is very strong on software vendors and their authorized partners, because we want to know what the software has for needs, and we try to improve the quality in the visualization side on the software. Since 2005, we are very strong in the stereoscopic market. So we started with auto-stereoscopic screens where you don't need glasses. But this technology has bad effect, so it is very dark and you have to stay in a right distance to the screen and in a special angle. So we found a company which goes in the passive stereo mode with very lighted glasses. And this technology is now improved so that we have for each eye 4K resolution now available. And in the end we have 8K pixels in the field. This needs also good graphic cards, and it needs in the software integration also some optimizations. And we support then the software vendors with loans. We connect the graphic card manufacturers, the software product manager together, and we helped with the hardware between. We have here our self-developed 3D Plural View. It's a passive stereo display. For each eye we have one screen. We have 10-bit color depth, and in the end 2x4K resolution available. And that is the reference for stereoscopic workflows which users work more than 4 hours a day. Here is our Stealth 3D mouse, and it has joysticks so you can make easy movements in orthophotos. And the special thing is with this wheel you can measure in Z. Normal computer mice only are on top of the surface, and here you can go inside the model. That's a special thing. We have a very nice product, wireless. We can use it perfectly for point cloud and measurements, mesh visualization softwares, because here we can fly through measures, and we can fly, follow streets, follow tracks. For all this we need 3D glasses to see the three-dimensional effect. They're very light, and these are extremely transparent, like you see. Plural view monitors are used in a wide field of applications and use cases. So it's very often used in point cloud visualization, for example, in the mapping industry, in the mesh industry, but also in gas and oil, for example, in the medical, in tomography market. We are right now in a prototyping of a VR screen. So we put in the screen infrared cameras, we put markers on the glasses, and we have object tracking for both hands. And so we have really a VR screen with the movement of our body, and with the hands we pick parts, we have look in objects, and it's a very human way to interact with screens. Because typically with the head-mounted displays, you are isolated, you can't communicate with partners, you get sick very fast. And so it's good to have for 5 minutes the head-mounted devices, and then if you go in the details, you change to our Plural View displays, and then you can work on hours, and you can work even with 5 or 6 persons in front.